बस एक ही नाम याद रखिए, मगध ज्ञान केंद्र कोचिंग क्लासेस।
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Magad Gyan Kendra. In this video, we are going to talk about Chapter 2, Nutrition in Animals, Class 7th Exercise. So, first question is fill in the blanks. A. The main steps of nutrition in humans are dash, 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 and dash. Solution. The main steps of nutrition in humans are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation. Ingestion. B. The largest gland in the human body is. Solution. The largest gland in the human body is the liver. C. The stomach releases hydrochloric acid and dash juices which act on food. The stomach releases hydrochloric acid and digestive juices which acts on food. D. The inner walls of small intestine has many finger-like outgrowths called dash. The inner walls of small intestine has many finger-like projections called the villi. E. Amoeba digests its food in the solution. Amoeba digests its food in the food vacuole. Second, mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. A. Digestion of starch starts in the stomach. Is it true or false? The given statement is false. B. The tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. Is it true or false? The given statement is true. C. The gallbladder temporarily stores bile. Is it true or false? The given statement is true. The gallbladder temporarily stores bile. Is it true or false? Solution is true. D. The ruminants bring back swallowed grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. Is it true or false? The given statement is true. Third, A. Fat is completely digested in stomach, mouth, small intestine or large intestine. The solution is 3, which is small intestine. Water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the stomach, food pipe, small intestine or large intestine. The solution is large intestine. Now fourth one, you can do it by yourself. Now on fifth, what are villi? What are their location and functions? Solution. The inner walls of the small intestine have thousands of finger-like outgrowths. These are called villi, whose singular is villus. The villi increase the surface area for absorption of the digested food. Each villus has a network of thin and small blood vessels close to its surface. The surface of villi absorbs the digested food materials. Sixth, where is the bile produced? Which component of the food does it helps to digest? Solution. The bile is secreted by the liver. The liver is the largest gland in the human body. The bile juice is stored in a sac called the gallbladder. The bile helps in the digestion of fats. 7. Name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. Give the reason also. Cellulose is a type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. It is because the ruminants have a large sac-like structure called rumen. They swallow the grass, which is rich in cellulose, and stores it in the rumen. The cellulose of the food is digested here by the action of certain bacteria which are not present in humans. Question 8. Why do we get instant energy from glucose? Solution. The food which contains carbohydrates undergo digestion and as a result, simple sugar such as glucose is formed. In the cells, glucose breaks down with the help of oxygen into carbon dioxide and water and releases energy. Glucose is easy to digest, so when we direct take glucose, we get instant energy. Question 9. First, which part of the digestive canal is involved in? First, absorption of food. Solution. Small intestine. Second, chewing of food. Solution. Buccal cavity or mouth. Killing of bacteria. Solution. Stomach. Fourth, complete digestion of food? Answer: food, small intestine. 5. Formation of feces. Solution: large intestine. Question 10. Write one similarity and one difference between the nutrition in amoeba and human beings. Similarity: the basic process of digestion of food and release of energy is the same in amoeba as well as in human beings. Difference: the digestion process in amoeba is a simple process, while in humans beings it is a complex process. So in the screen you can also write, as you can see in the screen, you can also write some more similarity and differences. Question 11. Now I guess you can also do this because this is also match the followings. Now on to question 12. Label the picture of the digestive system. So you can see the solution right over here. Question 13. Can we survive only on raw leafy vegetables? Grass. Discuss. Raw leafy vegetables and grass are rich in cellulose, a type of carbohydrate. Many animals, including humans, cannot digest cellulose because they do not have enzymes and the certain type of bacteria which can digest cellulose. We cannot survive by taking vegetables in the raw form. That's why we boil or cook vegetables, which breaks down cellulose into simple carbohydrates. We can only survive by taking in vegetables in the boiled or cooked form. So we have completed the exercise. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you in the next one.